What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You saw the thumbnail. This is a pivotal moment in Mike's Hobby Planet, our first case unboxing. It comes from J-Car Diecast, and well, what do we have the chance of getting inside? This guy right here, the Silhouette McLaren 720 Liberty Walk Chase. So let's pray that it's in here. Obviously there's no way to know unless we crack it open, so let's go ahead and do that. What better one to do than the premium Silhouettes? I mean, this ensures I get at least 2 of the RWB Porsche and all the other cars, so I'm really excited for it. Let's hope there is a chase, because that will literally make my year. I think the best chase that I've ever seen is that car, so I would love to have it. Alright, we're going to pull them out one by one. I'm not going to look. There we go. Our first car, the Nissan 300ZX in blue. Oh, this is beautiful. So in this set we have the Skyline, the McLaren, the 300ZX, the RX-7, and the one everybody loves, the Porsche 930 RWB. There is our first car, Nissan 300ZX in blue, white wheels, absolutely epic. So I'm seeing one McLaren already, so it looks like the chances of the chase are cut in half. And we have another 300ZX right here. Ah, bummer. Better luck next time. No problem. It is what it is. The McLaren 720S, and here is the second one right here. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and put it in the sun for the second time on my channel. Just magical. Truly, this thing is gorgeous. It is potentially my favorite Hot Wheel ever. Man, that metallic is great. I caught a look of it right at the last second. All right, and then next we have the Liberty Walk ER34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. This is the one that everybody loves. We have seen it in so many different ways, including white, red and black, and I think there's a couple other colors too. This one has the paint job we commonly see on the GTR R35, but it looks pretty good. It's not bad. It's not bad. And of course we got 2 of each, so we can always open one of them, which is partially the reason why I bought it. Now, of course, the most exciting one. Oh, wow. Look at that. There it is, guys. The RWB Porsche 930. So this is the one that came out in 2019, and I tell you what, I went to the store every day for a month trying to find it, and one day I ran up on a full drop of them. Must have been 2 cases because I got 4 of them. I gave 2 away to my friends. I opened one and I still have one in a package sealed. And honestly, I didn't think that I was ever going to be able to find this one. So when I saw the opportunity to buy an entire case, I jumped on it as soon as possible, and they sold out within 10 minutes after I bought the case. So man, are we lucky for that. We were able to score the RWB Porsche 930, and we got 2 of them. So we're going to open one right at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Up next, this is probably the second one. Yep, there it is. We got 2. And then finally, the Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem with the super cool 90s looking paint job on it. Let's go ahead and get this a sun check as well. That is super clean. Actually really like that too. I love the small wheels. I like how they're 2 different colors. Very unique paint job. It's got stickers on the window. Definitely cool. Yeah, I think Silhouettes are likely the best premiums that Hot Wheels makes, in my opinion. I don't know, what do you guys think? So, we didn't get a chase, unfortunately. Such is life, but we got the entire Silhouettes set. We don't have to chase around for it. Worth the money? Absolutely. 100% absolutely. So, let's not waste any time. Go ahead and get this guy open here. This is painful to do, guys, but you know what? Gotta have it open. Such a cool car. Now, I actually do have the entire set from 2019. You will see that very soon when I go through my collection, which I'm probably going to film right after this. I don't know exactly when that video will drop. But make sure you're subscribed so you can see it. Bro, I'm looking at the wrong one here. So this one is flat black. This is nice and smooth painted. You know what, guys? I think we're going to open up every single one of these because why wouldn't we, you know? Why wouldn't we? Let's go ahead and crack them open. Yeah, that's super sweet. That's a good one. That is a good one, I swear. All right, next up, the 300ZX. This set is way better than the last one, guys. The last one had, I don't know, like 2 cars that were cool, and obviously this was the best one. But other than that, they weren't that great. But man, they got it right this time. This thing is really nice. This feels like extra ultra premium. This is a really, really nice car. Let's get a... Well, the sun up behind the clouds, but a little bit better view here. That is clean. pretty cool. Nissan 300ZX race car. Definitely don't have this in any other Hot Wheel. Look at that blue. Wow. All right, and the last one, we already have this open, so let's just pull that out here so that way we have it. There's no sense in opening another one if I already have it opened. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Let's wipe it off a little bit there. Fighter jets. Dude. I mean, can this video get any better? Wow, that was awesome. All right, and we got one more here. The Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. Boom, there we go. Really cool. Not my favorite with this paint job. I mean, it's definitely cool, but again, I think it looks a lot nicer in the other paint jobs that we've seen because this isn't exactly from this car, but that's okay. It still looks awesome, and it's always cool when you get a Skyline. Before we do finish though, guys, we're going to do a sun check on each car because, I mean, these deserve to just have the full effect. It's been about 15 minutes or so, and the sun is really out now, so let's start off with the Porsche. Oh my god, it's so sick. Let's bring both of these. That white is so bright. Jeez. Yo, look at that, man. Which one do you like better, guys? The white one or the flat black? They're both so cool. I mean, the black one has already been one of my favorite Hot Wheels for, what, 6 years now, right? Because that's how long it's been. This guy came from way before I ever did any Hot Wheels YouTube stuff, though. There is the white 930. God, that's cool. Moving on, we got the RX-7. Dude, this one definitely, I would say, wins for, like, vibrancy. Is that a word? Vibrancy? The roll cage being pink like that. Green wheels in the back. Pink wheels in the front. Baby blue paint job with the pink scattered all around. Hot Wheels logo on the back. Yeah, this thing is loaded with coolness. And it's got a green bottom, too. And we had a failed sun check on this one. God dang it, this thing is cool. I don't know what it is about ultra extra premium feeling. It's weird. The silhouettes are what's up, guys. Without a doubt, I cannot believe how much nicer these are than most premiums. This thing is so cool. The contrast of the blue and the white, just epic. And then one last look at the Liberty Walk. The paint on this is incredible. I can't even imagine how cool that chase must be. A black 720 Liberty Walk. Oh my god. Oh well. Too bad we didn't get it, but it is what it is. And we have the Skyline, which it's probably my least favorite out of this set. I mean, the car is cool, but it doesn't like glow enough. It's not like vibrant enough. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. It was a blast making it. I was so pumped when that box came in the mail. I had to wait almost 2 days because I just didn't have the right time to do it. What a great set to do the first unboxing on the channel. Guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Please like this video so it goes a little bit farther for other people to see, and leave a comment and tell me what your favorite car out of this set is. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later!